Well, hi there. I'm Brandon Wissing, co-founder of PSBZ company, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about our reference books we have. Our reference books are split into 4 different volumes. Volume 1 includes your math, your sciences, and your social sciences. Volume 2 are going to include your language and grammar. It's going to include your history and your world history. Volume 3 is going to be your world geography and all your reference maps. And our 4th volume is going to be advanced placement for all you overachievers out there. Let's go ahead and start our journey today. Let's go ahead and get our hands dirty and jump right into the table of contents. Here's our table of contents. For Volume 1, it goes from math, science, and social sciences. But to show you how to use our table of contents today, I'm just going to show you how to do math. It starts off with principles that you'd learn in elementary school and move all the way up to what you'd learn through your senior year of high school. And our system is color-coded to be kid-friendly. So let's say you're looking for Chapter 3, which is this red-orange color. What you do is you go to the side here, you flip through, boom, bam! Chapter 3, Mathematics. Now kids, you know when you're working on your homework problems, and they start off by giving you 2 easy sample problems, but then you start working on your assignment, and what happens? The problems just keep getting harder and harder. Am I right? And then when you refer back to those 2 sample problems, what's the matter? They're just too darn easy. And they don't seem to help you out in those hard problems. But we found a solution for you. Here, we give you 10 to 15 extra hard examples. Here, they give you each problem with a step-by-step process on how to solve them. Then it also gives you in the blueprint teacher definitions on how to solve it. It's like there's a teacher with you at home. Now kids, you know when you're studying for a math test and there's just equations everywhere? There's equation in a section over here, section over there, up here, down there. There's all over the place. Wouldn't it be easier if they were all in a couple pages? As you can see here, all these equations are in a couple different pages. If you are doing your geometry, you have all your lengths, your areas, your angles, and your volumes all on 2 convenient pages for you to use. And if you're in trig, they have all your trig angles in the same area as well. Alright, that's how our math section works, but it's the exact same way for all other subjects. Now, do you want to see how our ACT and SAT software works? Come on, I'll show you. And here I'm going to show you our ACT, SAT program. This is the home page for our ACT, SAT practice software that we have. Now let's say you want to work on an ACT practice test. What you do is you got to click on the ACT link. Once you get to here, you get to choose one of the 4 different sections. Let's say we want to work on math today. Then you go down to begin exam. Now it'll give you a problem here, such as this one. Jacob currently has enough money to buy 45 books. If the cost of each book was 10 cents less, Jacob could buy 5 more books. How much money does Jacob have to spend on the books? Now, if my math is correct, which it usually is, I think it's going to be 45. That's correct. Now let's go back here. Let's say if I thought it was 75 instead, and hit next. What it would do is it would pop up with the correct answer highlighted for you, and then you can click on explanation on why you missed it. And here we give you a step-by-step process on what equation to use and how to work this problem. Now let's go back to the home page here, and then you can start all over again. And that was a little bit about us and our products here at PSBZ Company. Now if you have any more questions today, our sales representative will be happy to answer them for you. Now remember kids, study hard because you're the future of tomorrow.